In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add funds to your Pocket Option account using a bank transfer. It's a straightforward process, but follow along with me for a step-by-step guide. Let's dive right in. When you first log into your Pocket Option dashboard, you'll notice a series of icons and options laid out before you. At the top right of your screen, you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that image. It serves as a gateway to a series of account management features, including financial transactions. Once you've clicked your profile picture, you'll find yourself presented with a list of options. From this menu, you'll want to select Deposit. This option will lead you to a page where you can choose how to fund your account. You'll see that Pocket Option offers a variety of payment methods, all designed to make the process as flexible and convenient for you as possible. Whether you're comfortable with traditional methods like credit cards or prefer modern e-wallets, there is something to suit your needs. However, for the purposes of this demonstration, let's focus on utilizing a bank transfer. This method is often chosen for its reliability and straightforward nature, especially if you're managing larger transactions or prefer the security that comes with direct banking operations. Once you've decided that bank transfer is the way to go ahead and click on it. A new menu will appear, prompting you to specify the amount you wish to deposit into your Pocket Option account. It's important here to double-check the amount, ensuring you've entered the correct figures to match your intended deposit. After you've verified the amount, your next move is to locate the Continue button, which can be found on the right of your screen. Click on it to proceed further. The following steps post-initiation of the bank transfer will depend on your bank's specific requirements for authorization and security, but generally, you may need to log into your online banking, confirm the transaction, or possibly even authorizing some kind of secure transaction process depending on your bank policies. Make sure to follow any prompts from your bank to complete the transaction successfully. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of depositing funds into your Pocket Option account via a bank transfer. By following these instructions, you can effortlessly manage your account and enhance your trading capabilities. Remember, if you ever need to reference back, this guide is here for you. Enjoy your trading experience.